Welcome aboard, captains. This is my very first time flying the Boeing on the channel. So we are setting up a short hop from Johannesburg to Durban, and so far we have been flying the Airbus 320 or the Cessna CJ4 Citation. Let's fly this boat for the first time. Let's get started. Tambo International Clearance, Cargo 282, IFR to Durban, request for clearance.
Safari 280, could you confirm your call number, your carrier, or Safari 280?
Safari clear to Durban, flight level 330, departing runway 03 left, follow the SID APTAC 1 Bravo, initial climb flight level 90, once passing 6500 need to contact 124.5 and squawk code 4013, Safari 282. Thank you, 282. Okay, got our readback correct, but they made a mistake. Tambo International Ground, Safari 282, request for push and start at gate Bravo 10, information Zulu on board, push and start approach facing south QNH 1019R, Safari 282.
Okay, we'll get German.
Okay, uh, pushback starting.
November 5, 180.
Wait, is the nose spin going up?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board.
The hell?
We hope you have a great flight with South African Airways today. Now, nothing is more
What
important
is
to us
happening
than your
here?
safety. So, even if you're a frequent flyer, we'd appreciate your attention while
What
we
the
take
hell?
you through some of the safety features of this aircraft.
That's not something you see every day. It's kind of
South African
unsettling,
welcome to everyone on board. Civil aviation
especially on a
regulations
first
require your
flight.
compliance with the illuminated passenger information signs, posted placards,
Hope
and all instructions from the flight
the
crew.
crew member
For
and
your
the
safety and that of your fellow passengers,
passengers are
your baggage must now
good
be securely
since
stowed
the
in the
announcement is
overhead
going on.
compartment or under the seat in front of you. If you're seated at an emergency exit, your hand luggage cannot be stored under the seat or on the floor, but must go into an overhead compartment. When opening these compartments, please take care, as some of the items may have shifted. Seatbelt signs are visible throughout the cabin. Whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated, please fasten your seatbelt by pushing the flat metal end of the belt into the buckle. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap.
Finally settles
To
down.
unfasten, lift the metal flap to release the buckle.
Let's start the
For
engine
your
now.
own safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. Seatbelts for infants will be provided by the crew. The use of all portable electronic
Oh,
devices is
we
restricted
are
during
landed
taxi, takeoff, and landing. Transmitting devices equipped with flight mode or its
unofficially.
equivalent may be used in flight once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Ensure that your device is turned to flight mode now. Transmitting devices not equipped with flight mode present a risk to the aircraft navigational system and must remain switched off throughout the flight. Please consult the safety guide in Sawubona magazine for a list of devices approved for use during the flight. Smoking is strictly prohibited on all South African Airways flights. All toilets are monitored by smoke detectors. Attempting to smoke during this flight is a serious offense and is punishable by law. The cabin pressure in this aircraft is carefully controlled. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above
Alright,
you. Remain seated
engine
and pull
start.
the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose
Just
and
rolling
mouth.
up
Secure
nicely,
it with the elastic band and
despite that
continue
weird
to breathe
pushback which
normally.
we had.
You may now assist children or other passengers
It
seated
is
next to you.
unfortunate.
Even when oxygen is flowing freely, the bag will not inflate. There is a life jacket either under or between the seats. When instructed by the crew, remove the jacket from its pouch and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten the clips in front. Only inflate your life jacket when you reach the exit by pulling the toggle sharply downwards. You can re-inflate the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. A whistle is provided to attract attention, and a light will automatically illuminate when in water. Life jackets for infants will be provided by the crew. In certain emergency situations, the cabin crew may give the brace command. Immediately assume this position and wait for further instructions from the crew. Prior to takeoff, take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat. In an emergency, clearly visible emergency lights will direct you to these exits. If you are seated in a designated exit row, you may be called upon to open the exit door in an emergency. Please open the exit door as demonstrated. Exit slides are available at every main exit. This Airbus 340 has 8 main emergency exits. There are 4 main exit doors forward of the wing and 4 main exit doors aft of the wing. There's a safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it to re-familiarize yourself with the safety features of this aircraft. We are now preparing for takeoff. Ensure that your seat back is in the upright position, that your tray table and footrest are folded away, and that your seat belt is fastened. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any of our cabin crew, who would be more than willing to assist.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all of us at South African Airways, we wish you an enjoyable flight, and we thank you for flying with us.
Tampa International Ground Safari 282, ready for taxi? Okay. Okay, so holding point India to runway 03 left, taxi via apron, left on India to runway 03 left, Safari 282. So we had a very weird pushback, not sure what is it. So this is Lima. We need to pass cross Lima. And turn left. We're at India. So it was a very simple instruction, but somehow I got confused. But I'm actually happy that we got our read back correct in the clearance, as a professional would do. So he did ask whether we can take off from the intersection or we need the whole runway to take off. So we can take off from the intersection, it won't be an issue. We have another Boeing behind us. Contact tower Safari 282. Thank you so much. At holding point India, request for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. Thank you. Cleared for takeoff. Thank you so much, Safari 282. Okay, we instantly got our clearance. We'll start. Okay, positive climb. Gear up. So the cruise was quiet, but here is where the trouble starts. So we have missed the top of descent completely. A very big rookie mistake. So we are at a way higher at 29,000 altitude. So we should be starting our descent right past now. So let's make hold at the next waypoint. So making the changes in the FMC to generate a hold pattern. Fastest center, Safari 282, flight level 27,000.
Ready, descent flight level 2, roger. Your step on narrow, I got was descent flight level 200. Okay, so route direction
Oh
descent
my
descent
god,
November 39 Tango Delta
I
1, ready.
definitely forgot there is ATC available here.
Route direction descent
So I
November
have provided with some instructions, but I'm not sure how to cancel
super.
the whole pattern
Ready,
in Boeing.
Suffolk 282, you with me?
Safari 282 copy.
Suffolk 282, transfer link universe, no worries. Descent flight level 167, may take you through low clouds and re-establish you from sign off. Make sure you climb high, so that's heading towards fine, so
Climbing flight level 150, Safari 282. Okay, we need to cancel this whole pattern immediately. I don't know how. Heading 150, Safari 282. Okay, we have got instruction to turn left to 150, but I'm still stuck with this whole thing. I think I got it.
ready, stand by, ready, 070.
God, why is it so difficult? Yeah, we got it. Okay, we messed up actually. Okay, so we ran into another problem. Let's check with the ATC. Center Safari 282. I got a flight discontinuity in my MCDU. Could you vector me to the correct place, please?
Suffolk 282 on currently. Flying you on is heading to you really high, so you don't need to worry about that, but you can turn left to thing 040.
Turning left 040. Thank you so much for the help. Safari 282. Okay, we are in good hands actually. He's keeping up the hold for us.
Cadet 05 Romeo 1, correction.
Durban Tower, Safari 282. ILS 24 at final. Information kilo on board. Request for landing.
Suffolk 282, Durban Tower, requesting wind 172 degrees, landing left, long 12 kilo.
Clear to land, runway 24, Safari 282. Okay, so we got our clearance for landing.
Descent level 70, cruise
Okay,
level
clear to land.
3070.
Gear down. Okay, crosswinds active. You could see the turbulence. The flight is riding bumps, trying to keep it steady. So this is where the Boeing really tests you. So it's going crazy. We fly by hand. Disconnecting the autopilot. And there it is. Mistake number 3. Landing in the grass before the runway. Okay, okay. Not my proudest moment. Rolling out. Try to recover. It's not a good one, but fine. And there we go. Shit. Okay, let's hope no one watched it. No, actually, I'm good. Thank you so much. Okay, so taxi via Bravo, Foxtrot, 180 at Alpha, Gate Delta 4, Safed 28. Finally, pulling into the gate. Let's get this one parked and get the hell out of here. So, parking brake set, engine shutting down. So, first Boeing flight in the sim started strong, had a bizarre pushback, then one mistake after another, missed the top of descent, messy hold cancellation, grass landing, grass taxi. A tough one, but that's how you learn, right? So, next flight will be sharper. Thank you so much for guys. Hope you liked the video. We'll catch up at next video. Bye for now.